Hello! Today we're going to be making some simple pop-up cards which you can use for Mother's Day or any occasion really, but I thought it was good timing to do it for Mother's Day. So I'm going to show you how to do these simple pop-ups that you can use to make cards. The first pop-up we're going to do is a simple square pop-up. So just take a sheet of paper and fold it in half. You can use a bone folder for that to make it nice and flat. And then on the folded edge, not the cut edge, you're going to make 2 cuts. You can just use scissors for this. And eyeball in the center, 2 cuts, maybe a 1/2 inch deep, 3/4 inch deep, and 1 inch apart from each other. And then you want to take those 2 cuts and bend them like that to make a fold here. Again, you could bone fold that. If you have anything that helps fold, you can use it. So now you have this little fold. You're gonna fold it back like that, open the card, and then pop it so that you get something like that. So you're just popping it so that this fold goes the opposite direction. And then that gives you something that you can attach another piece to, like this. So if I wanted to cut something out of a magazine or write a message, whatever, it's very simple to just take your glue stick and you're going to only glue on the front part of that fold. Then attach your paper that you want to attach there and just fold it shut, give it some pressure, and open it up. And there you have a simple pop-up. And if that bothers you, you could always have another piece of paper that you just fold over if you don't want to have that on the outside. The next card we're going to do is a version of that uses another sheet of paper instead of cutting directly into the outside of the card. So I'm going to attach this like this using this paper. So again, start with a folded in half sheet for your outside. Then have the piece that you want to put in the middle to pop up. And then we're going to cut a little piece of paper like this. It doesn't really matter what the size is. You probably want something like 1 inch or so here for the fold. So you fold that little piece of paper in half and then just make little tabs like this by folding it back on one side and on the other side. So I have something like that. Then I'm gonna put this in the middle. So this is acting sort of similar to the way that the cuts in the last one did. This is gonna go here and we're gonna attach to that. So I'm going to just glue the tabs I'm gonna position this so that it will make like a right angle when it's opened, so something like that, and then just place it like that, make sure the glue is on the outside, and then close the whole card. Let's open it up and see. Yeah, so we should have something like a 90-degree angle there. And then again, you're going to just glue this front part here and attach the pop-up like that. And you just want to make sure that this is fitting inside here, so your piece can't go outside because then it won't close fully. So however big your piece is, make sure that it will shut inside. And so you have the pop-up like that. It goes horizontally, but you don't have the cut on the outside since you used the separate sheet of paper to do that. Okay, the last pop-up we're going to do is going to be with a card that's vertical. All the others were horizontal. So just again, take a piece of paper, fold it in half, and then you're going to have whatever you want to place in the middle, and you fold that in half like that. And then again, little tabs that go like this. Then we glue the tabs. And we're going to now place this with those glued tabs folded out so they're on the outside. And then just position your piece so that it's near the edge but not totally but not going over the edge. Position it there, close the whole card, put some pressure. When you open it up, you'll have a pop-up. So as you can see, there's some variations that you can do with these simple square pop-ups. You can use pieces from magazines, you can use messages that you write, and you can also cut them into shapes. It doesn't necessarily have to be a square. So just have fun with it. Mother's Day is May 10th. This is a good opportunity for that, but you could also use these for any occasion.